हेलो एवरीवन। आज हमारे साथ खुशी खरपस है जिन्होंने 5 इयर्स एलएलबी लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में 105 स्कोर किया एंड आज इनका एडमिशन जो है वो हो गया है महाराष्ट्र के टॉप लॉ कॉलेज दैट इज आईएलएस पुणे में। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस खुशी, आप महाराष्ट्र के टॉप लॉ
थैंक यू
कॉलेज
मैम।
में जो है आपका एडमिशन हो गया है। सो खुशी, कैसा लग रहा है आपको एडमिशन होने के बाद और सारे प्रोसीजर्स कंप्लीट होने के बाद?
As it was my first day at college, I was very excited for it, and I am feeling great now.
ओके खुशी, ग्रेट। एंड जब रिजल्ट आया एंड फाइनली कैप राउंड में आपको आईएलएस अलॉट हो गया, तो फिर घर वालों का क्या रिएक्शन था ये जानने के बाद?
As my marks were good, they were very clear that I will get in ILS Law College. So, and I'm the first person in my family to take it as a career in law field. So they were excited for it.
ग्रेट ग्रेट। एंड जैसे आपने बोला कि आप फर्स्ट पर्सन हो आपकी फैमिली में से जो लॉ एज अ करियर परस्यू कर रहे हैं, तो खुशी आपके दिमाग में कब आया कि चलो लॉ मेरे लिए एक बहुत अच्छा करियर ऑप्शन हो सकता है? व्हेन डिड यू डिसाइड इट?
Actually, I was a science stream student first. So then I searched about it, and I was not a bit confused about the career opportunities and all that. So I searched and researched about careers and all. I find law as a good career for me.
ओके, ग्रेट खुशी। एंड अब आ जाते हैं कि एमएचसीटी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम जिसमें आपने इतना अच्छा स्कोर लाया है, जो बहुत कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम है, एंड टॉप लॉ कॉलेज आईएलएस में जाना एक बहुत बड़ा टास्क है एंड ये ड्रीम कॉलेज भी है काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स का। तो ये एग्जाम के लिए प्रेपरेशन जो है वो बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए। सो आपने क्या प्रेपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी फॉलो करी थी इस एग्जाम के प्रेपरेशन के लिए?
So I was very consistent about the syllabus and a daily routine. I My approach was different for different subjects. So I will get one by one. So firstly, for legal reasoning and aptitude, I used AP Bhardwaj sir's legal aptitude and reasoning book. And for also I used B EduCARE's module for that, for questions and MCQs. So for
Yes,
MCQs, I used that book. MCQs, I used that book of B EduCare. And for English, in vocabulary, I read newspapers and all, and also used word power made easy, and also grammar books just for the slide questions. And in GK, there is a huge portion of static GK in MHCET. So I used B EduCare's book only for GK. So that was the best book I used. The questions in MHCET were very familiar for me in static GK, just because I used the B EduCare's book. And MCQs I solved online or something websites. And also EduCare's questions were very good. In logical reasoning was my strength. So I didn't revise that well, but I would not recommend that revise it. And I solved 50 questions per topic from the EduCare's book itself for logical reasoning, and MCQs from online. And for maths I literally did nothing for it. So I would not recommend that. But I just did last 15 days. I did maths, all formulas and all that. So that was not a trouble. And so subject wise, that's it. And for pattern for paper pattern, I follow MCQs of EduCARE, papers of EduCARE. So last 15 days, I was just reviewing through the papers. I gave 10 to 15 papers in last days. So I get the idea of overall papers, and that was very beneficial. And also,
Okay.
I recommend PYQs also. Previous year questions were very helpful. The pattern of paper is like that only.
ओके सो खुशी एज यू राइटली सेड कि पढ़ने के बाद प्रैक्टिस करना बहुत जरूरी है एंड प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को भी देखना बहुत जरूरी है कि एग्जाम किस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस जो है वो पूछ रहा है, कौन से टॉपिक्स इंपॉर्टेंट है एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. सो आई थिंक दैट इज अ वेरी ग्रेट पॉइंट व्हिच यू हैव शेयर्ड. खुशी, आप कोई टिप शेयर करना चाहोगे फ्यूचर लॉ एस्पिरेंट्स के साथ?
Just be consistent and follow your teachers.
Okay.
As I
Okay. That's really very great, Khushi. And EduCARE family wishes you all the very best for your future. Congratulations once again for getting into ILS Pune.
Thank you, ma'am. You all only help for me that.
Chalo, all the very best, and may you have a very bright career ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Khushi, all the very best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for having me.